Zimbabwe's Constitutional Court has delivered a landmark ruling outlawing all forms of child marriage. Rights activists say that the ruling is a victory for a country where a third of the girls are married before they turn 18.
Former child bride Loveness Mudzuri took the government to court last year, arguing that sections of the marriage law allowing minors to marry were discriminatory and violated children's rights as contained in the Constitution adopted in 2013.
They're not allowed to vote, not allowed to drink or buy cigarettes, but in the eyes of the law, these minors have been deemed old enough to be married off and to start families. The Marriage Act has allowed girls aged 16 to marry, while boys had to be 18 years of age. Customary law and unregistered marriages did not set a minimum age. A Plan International video documents how girls, some as young as 13, are married off to escape poverty, but end up in worse cycles of deprivation and abuse.
We have seen them lose their right to education, drop out of school, and some of them even suffer the health consequences. We have seen most of them get trapped in the poverty cycle, whereby when they drop out of school, they lose their potential of earning, and not only do they suffer the consequences themselves, even their own children.
Following an application by a former child bride, Loveness Mudzuri, the Constitutional Court on Tuesday struck down Section 22 of the Marriage Act. It's ruled that no person under the age of 18 may enter into marriage, including unregistered customary unions and those arising out of religious rites.
I want to commend the Constitutional Court for a very bold, far-reaching decision that is unprecedented. You don't find this in South Africa, you don't find this anywhere where jurisdictions are considered more progressive than ours.
After the legal victory, a daunting task of changing long-held attitudes. Child marriages are rampant in some white garment religious sects. Culturally, girls have also been married off for financial gain through the bride price and in extreme cases as payment for family offences.
It will take some time also for people to change. But now that we have got a ruling, it's a step in the right direction.
Shingai Nyoka, SABC News, Harare, Zimbabwe.